We are pleased to show you the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.